Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if TPM is not showing in BIOS in Windows 11. So the first thing that you have to do is to check whether your computer has TPM. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type tpm.msc and select it as a search command from the search results. In here, if in the new window you see a message that says compatible TPM cannot be found, then your PC does not have a TPM. As you can see, in my case, I do have TPM and it has to be specification version 2.0 for Windows 11 to run properly. So in case you have TPM but still your computer is not showing TPM in the BIOS, then you can proceed to the next solutions. So the next solution that you should take in consideration is to update the BIOS system. To begin with, you have to navigate to the motherboard manufacturer's website. Then you have to locate the downloads or support page for the motherboard model that you're interested in. So basically, the most important thing you have to do is to find the manufacturer's website for your motherboard and simply download the BIOS update software. You should see a list of the BIOS versions that are currently available, as well as any improvements or problem fixes that have been made to each version, and as well the dates on which they were released. And another great solution is to disconnect and reconnect the AC power cord. Even though this solution may sound a bit weird, some users reported that it fixed the issue. So to do this, you have to power off the system, then disconnect the AC power cord and leave the system unplugged for about 30 seconds. In this way you'll make sure you will clear out all the electricity in the device. Then you can press and hold the power button for 30 seconds, and lastly just reconnect the AC power cord to the system and boot to the BIOS setup using the F12 key. Once TPM is restored, make sure that the enabled radio button is ticked. And that's it. Plenty of options to consider.
As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.